What is the new archaeology? What exactly is the new archaeology? This movement, also known as processual archaeology, began in the 1950s and 1960s. It arose as a response to traditional archaeology, which mainly focused on describing artifacts and sites. The new archaeology shifted the focus to a more scientific approach. It emphasized understanding the reasons behind cultural change and human behavior in the past. At the heart of the new archaeology is the idea that culture is a system. This system consists of various components like technology, economy, social organization, and environment. These elements interact and can be studied scientifically. Artifacts are not just isolated objects. They are part of larger cultural systems that show how humans adapted and interacted with their surroundings. One key feature of the new archaeology is its use of scientific methodology. Archaeologists began to apply rigorous scientific methods, including hypothesis testing and quantitative analysis. This means they formulated hypotheses about past human behavior and cultural processes. They then tested these ideas through systematic excavation and analysis of the findings. Another important aspect is the focus on cultural processes. Instead of merely describing artifacts or classifying sites, the new archaeology aimed to explain why cultures changed over time. This included looking at technology, subsistence strategies, and how societies adapted to their environments. Systematic thinking is also a hallmark of this movement. Cultures were viewed as systems with subsystems like trade, religion, and social structure. To understand these systems, archaeologists looked beyond prominent sites. They included rural areas, resource zones, and settlement patterns in their studies. Variability and sampling were emphasized as well. New archaeologists stressed the importance of studying a wide range of sites and artifacts to capture cultural variability. They introduced sampling techniques to ensure they gathered representative data, moving away from just focusing on the largest or most impressive sites. The new archaeology also took an interdisciplinary approach. It incorporated methods and theories from other fields like anthropology, ecology, and economics. This helped build comprehensive models of past human life. Hypothetico-deductive reasoning became a standard practice. Archaeologists formulated clear hypotheses about past societies and tested them against archaeological evidence. This aimed for explanations that could be generalized or disproven. In practice, the new archaeology transformed how fieldwork and interpretation were conducted. It encouraged archaeologists to ask broader anthropological questions about human behavior, social organization, and environmental interaction. This movement laid the groundwork for later theoretical developments and critiques, including post-processual archaeology. This later movement questioned some of the assumptions made by the new archaeology regarding culture and human agency. The new archaeology represents a significant shift in archaeology. It moved from simple descriptive cataloging to a scientific, explanatory framework. This framework focuses on understanding cultural systems and human behavior through systematic, hypothesis-driven research.